Now, although this course has 17 sections, it is structured in 3 parts over those 17 sections. So I'll now give you a quick overview of each. So part 1 covers the Bitcoin ecosystem. So this part covers all of the Bitcoin basics you'll ever need to know. So if you're new to Bitcoin, you'll get a crash course in what Bitcoin is, the different terminology, and generally get you up to speed on everything Bitcoin related. This part also covers the different Bitcoin opportunities that are hiding inside the Bitcoin space and how to come up with your very own new Bitcoin business idea. The final section in this part talks about our very own dirty little Bitcoin secrets and how you can make money from this space without even having your own product. Then we move on to part 2, which is all about creating your Bitcoin business. This part is all about how to create your Bitcoin business with as little time and money as possible. I'll give you the exact methods used on 99 Bitcoins which are still in use today to generate new income streams with great success. Now after this part, you'll have a working prototype of your business, which you can then take to the next level and start bringing in customers, which is what we all want to do. So part 3 is all about marketing your Bitcoin business like a pro. So in the last part of this course, we're going to talk about how to bring customers to your new Bitcoin business. Now if you already, let's say, own a Bitcoin business, you could jump straight onto this part. But what I say here is that I highly recommend going over the entire course before doing so, because you'll gain a lot more value. Now in this part we'll discuss how to get users for free, how and where to put up ads for your Bitcoin business, how to track what's working, and we'll even show you some personal Bitcoin marketing hacks that we believe only a few Bitcoin businesses out there actually know about.